Hey YouTube, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm down here in Chinatown in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm just going to give you a little quick walkthrough before it gets dark and then I can't do any more videos. So join me, shall you? Chinatown pretty much never quit, even through the pandemic. I mean, if you wanted to be able to come down and do whatever you want, this place was doing it. Maybe got some, might have a thumbnail right there. Yeah, Chinatown is definitely a must-see when you're in Bangkok. I mean, you have to get down here. That's some COVID cough there. You hear it? That dude about hit me with the cart. Or I about ran into it. Whatever you want to say. Man, I thought somebody said my name back there. Sorry, man. Stepped on a field. Tomatoes, grapes, tomatoes, and apples. Go back there. I don't know if he wanted money or what. Sorry, bro. Look at that. Beautiful. It smells amazing down here. Boom. All right. was that. Let's go back through and then hit to the left. I went by like a wet market, like a live wet market with live seafood and live like birds and all kinds of stuff, but it stunk so bad and it was so dark inside that the video no good. So maybe next time, I don't know. It was horrible. It was like tons of birds in cages and a lot of slimy wet things. It was interesting, but like I said, the video was non-existent. Contraption right there. Yeah, I've never had a hotel this close to Chinatown before. I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. Let's see, left or right, guys? It looks like right. Might as well do it while we can. Chestnuts. Yeah, guys, there's a good taste of Chinatown there. They got the police in the gold shop because gold is getting stole all around this country right now. Like, thanks. That was him. Yeah, but I guess gold, like, people are desperate, obviously, after 2 years of people like me not here spending money. And so a lot of gold shops have an armed guard now. But anyways, guys, that's a little taste of Chinatown. I thank you guys for watching and all that stuff you do. Like, subscribe, comments, harass me. I don't give it, you know, I don't care. I got some thick skin, so. Anyways, guys, this has been Zach with Savage Traveling down here in Bangkok's Chinatown. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.